Method of Rekey for 10550. Slot in the key. Pull out the hardened bar. Put in the C-ring. Pull out the hardened bar. Take out the spring and the spring cap. Remove the Allen screw followed by position pin. Turn the cylinder anti-clockwise at 180 degrees and remove the cylinder from the padlock body. Remove the spring and the top pin from the padlock body. Put in the top pin followed by the spring into the Rekey tools. Press the spring into the Rekey tools by the blade. Put in the Rekey tools into the padlock body. Remove the blade and turn the Rekey tools at the correct pinning hole position. Put in the blade to press spring into the pinning hole and turn the keying tools. Slot in the pin holder and remove Rekey tools. Remove the original pin. Rekey the cylinder. Put in cylinder into the padlock body and turn the cylinder at the correct position. Remove the pin holder. Put back the position pin and Allen screw, followed by spring and spring cap. Position pin. Allen screw. Spring and spring cap. Push in the hardened bar. Rekey of 10550 is completed.